Foods that clean your arteries and protect you from heart attack. The number one killer on the planet is heart disease, which accounts for 1 in 4 deaths. What makes heart disease so deadly is the progressive buildup of plaque in the arteries, which narrows the inner walls, restricting and ultimately blocking the flow of blood. Arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different tissues in the body. When plaque builds up and blood flow becomes inhibited, these clogged or blocked arteries can lead to more serious problems such as heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular diseases. So what can you do to keep your arteries healthy and free of blockage? Food can be used as a natural remedy to regress blockage and prevent further damage to your arteries. In today's video, let's have a look at those amazing food items that work naturally preventing the blockage in arteries and clean them to protect you from heart attacks. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Stress, the absence of development, and particularly unfortunate eating are all supporters of uplifted rates of heart assault. In any case, rolling out a couple of little improvements to your diet regime can radically bring down your hazard. Let's have a look at few of those foods that play a major help role in saving your heart. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the best foods to cleanse your arteries, full of fiber and minerals. It helps lower blood pressure and prevent blood clots that can lead to serious cardiovascular illness. It works within the veins and arteries to alleviate inflammations that may have accumulated over time. It boosts the body's production of glutathione, an antioxidant that fights inflammation and prevents damaging oxidation that causes clogged or blocked arteries. It also contains alpha-linoleic acid and folic acid, which prevent hardening of the arteries. Avocado. Avocado helps reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol that helps to clear the arteries. It also contains vitamin E, which prevents cholesterol oxidation, as well as potassium, which is known to lower your blood pressure. Avocados are a delicious replacement for mayo on a sandwich or a salad topping, and of course, in guacamole. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, mackerel, salmon, sardines, herring, and tuna are rich in healthy fats, which can help to clear the arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids help to increase the good cholesterol, decreasing blood vessel inflammation and the formation of blood clots in the arteries, and can even lower blood pressure. Heart Associations recommends people eat fish at least twice per week to reduce plaque buildup. Baked and grilled fish are the most optimal for heart health. Nuts. Instead of reaching to a cookie jar, try a healthier alternative, which are nuts. Almonds are the best choice because they are high in monosaturated fats, vitamin E, fiber, and protein. The magnesium in almonds also prevents plaque formation and lowers blood pressure. Walnuts are another good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which will reduce bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol levels, which in turn lowers the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monosaturated oleic acid, an essential fatty acid that lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants, it is one of the healthiest oils to use in cooking or for dressings. Use olive oil instead of butter and drizzle over a salad or pasta. It is recommended to choose 100% organic virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits. Watermelon. This summertime favorite is a great natural source of the amino acid L-citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide causes the arteries to relax, decreases inflammation, and can help lower blood pressure. Watermelon also helps to modify blood lipids and lowers belly fat accumulation. Less fat in the abdominal area lowers the risk of heart disease. Turmeric. The main component of the spice is curcumin, which is a power anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a major cause of arteriosclerosis, or the hardening of the arteries. Turmeric also reduces the damage to arterial walls, which can cause blood clots and plaque buildup. Turmeric also contains vitamin B6, which helps to maintain healthy levels of homocysteine, which can cause plaque buildup and blood vessel damage in excess amounts. Turmeric can be an ingredient in many dishes, both sweet and savory. Spinach. This dark leafy green is filled with potassium, folate, and fiber, which helps lower blood pressure and prevents artery blockage. 1 serving per day helps lower homocysteine levels, a risk factor for heart disease such as atherosclerosis. It doesn't matter if you eat it raw or cooked, the benefits are the same. So try it in salads, smoothies, and even on your omelette. Whole grains. Whole grains contain soluble fiber which binds to the excess LDL cholesterol in your digestive tract and removes it from your body. Whole grains also contain magnesium, which dilates blood vessels and keep your blood pressure at regular levels. Doctors recommend at least 6 daily servings of whole grains. So trade your carbs for whole grain alternatives like whole grain breads, whole wheat pasta, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and oatmeal to improve cholesterol levels and keep your arteries clear. Berries. Berries include blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are associated with an impressive amount of health benefits, including their ability to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Berries are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. These include flavonoid antioxidants, which are known to help boost heart health. Research has shown that eating berries significantly reduces atherosclerosis risk factors, including elevated bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Berries may help prevent clogged arteries by reducing inflammation and cholesterol accumulation, improving artery function, and protecting against cellular damage. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are delicious and provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including flavonoids. Citrus flavonoids can decrease inflammation and help prevent free radicals in the body from oxidizing bad cholesterol. Oxidized cholesterol is associated with blockage in arteries and further progression. This may be why citrus consumption is associated with the reduced risk of heart disease and stroke, those two conditions linked to blockage of arteries. Spices. Spices including ginger, pepper, chili, and cinnamon may help protect against clogged arteries. These and other spices have anti-inflammatory properties and may help scavenge free radicals, improve blood lipid levels, and reduce the clumping together of platelets in the blood. You can increase your spice consumption easily by adding these versatile flavorings to oatmeal, soups, stews, and just about any other dish you can think of. Cruciferous vegetables. Adding cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower to your diet may help reduce your chances of developing clogged arteries and prevent artery clogging because it is loaded with vitamin K, which prevents calcium from damaging the arteries. They also prevent cholesterol oxidation and is full of fiber, which lowers blood pressure and reduces stress. Stress can lead to tearing and plaque buildup of arterial walls. These little veggies also contain sulforaphane, which helps the body use protein to prevent plaque buildup in these arteries. It is recommended to have 2 to 3 servings of cruciferous vegetables per week for the maximum benefits. Cocoa and dark chocolate. Cocoa and dark chocolate products are not only delicious but also may help ward off blocked arteries. Studies have also found that eating chocolate is associated with a reduced risk of stroke, heart disease, and diabetes. What's more, cocoa and dark chocolate products are rich in polyphenol plant compounds. These help increase nitric oxide production and decrease inflammation in the arteries, which may help improve physical function in people with clogged arteries. The researchers found that consuming 40 grams of dark chocolate significantly improved walking time and blood levels of nitric oxide compared with consuming milk chocolate. Garlic. Garlic helps your heart and arteries in numerous ways, including stimulating the product of nitric oxide in the lining of the blood vessels, which may help them to relax. It inhibits coronary artery calcification, which serves as a marker for a plaque formation and prevents the oxidation of cholesterol. Also reduces the formation of nanoplaque by up to 40% and reducing the size of the nanoplaque that is already formed by up to 20%. Exercising on most days of the week is an excellent way to keep your arteries healthy, and so is smart supplementation. A healthy diet rich in nutrient-dense food may help reduce your risk of developing clogged arteries. Research has shown that adding foods like cruciferous vegetables, fish, berries, olive oil, oats, onions, greens, and beans to your diet may be an effective way to prevent atherosclerosis. Making these changes to your diet can improve your overall health and prevent your arteries from blockage. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.